Here's a little bit more 60 miles per hour cruising. If you ask me, honestly, the 4-inch exhaust, no resonator, no muffler, it's kind of a mix between hearing that and my all-terrain tires humming. Nothing crazy. Once I have the radio on, I can't even hear it, honestly, unless I'm going up a hill or something. Honestly, so I'm doing 60, freeway speed's 70. It's not much louder at all on the freeway, just more wind noise, so. So this video is with the 5-inch no muffler exhaust, and I was just going to try to keep it similar to the 4-inch comparison in terms of same speed and everything like that. Giving y'all a little bit of perspective for 70 mile an hour. Like I said, not much louder than 60 mile an hour, just more wind noise if you ask me. Y'all, I am currently heading to work. Figured I would go ahead and get a little bit of a sound clip for this is the 5-inch exhaust, no muffler, no resonator, at 70 miles an hour. y'all can hear that. To me, it's no louder than the 4-inch inside the cab. And the drone that some people claim, I'm not hearing it, which I haven't gone up any steep grades or anything yet to really put the engine under load. But yeah. All right, y'all, so that is going to be a wrap for now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I really appreciate it. If you've watched this at all, or even if you've watched to this part, thank you so much for sticking around. I tried to make an all-encompassing video for this, just to kind of show you different perspectives and points of view while driving. So, of course, video doesn't really, do justice for the way it sounds in person, but at least I'm trying. So, a lot of people want to ask about drone. That's a common thing in forums and other videos, people want to know, well, how's it drone? Well, honestly, a 5-inch exhaust. The only time I really noticed any kind of bad drone was when we were in New Mexico for a trip once, just going up and down those steep mountain grades. Whenever you drop it in the fourth or fifth gear to climb, it'll start droning pretty bad in the cab. So my advice is, if you're going to tow heavy on a daily basis, or if you live in a mountainous region or an area that has a lot of grades, hills, stuff like that, just go ahead and throw a resonator on there, or something like that, whatever your preferred muffler choice is, just to kind of cut down on the drone. But honestly, for long-term driving, I mean, we do 10, 12, 17-hour road trips in this truck, and flat ground, 70 miles an hour, cruise control. It's not bad on the drone. It honestly doesn't sound much difference from the 4-inch. I don't know if, hopefully you were able to tell based on the video, but yeah. Otherwise, if you have any questions, of course, just leave a comment down below. I really enjoyed making this video. It's been a work in progress, just trying to make some videos in between working and doing daily activities in life in general. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.